Hi everyone. Welcome to our new video. Today we're gonna learn how to create an ISO from a bunch of files on your system. Yeah, so here we using Ubuntu Linux, but we're not going to use command prompt as it might be expected. So we're gonna use a software called Bracero. So Bracero, something like that. You click here and you try to search for that. Bracero, yeah, Bracero. You double click on that. Make sure there is no empty disk in your CD drive. There should be nothing. So hit this which said data project. Then after that you say press on add. Okay, after adding, then you're gonna say documents, not documents, wherever you put your files you have to make sure that your files are there. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go down here where I saved my files. I put my files in software, then I'm looking for that folder. With the folder, this folder, then this folder. So I'm gonna start taking all these documents, copy them, all of them, then I say add files. So it said should files be renamed to be fully Windows compatible. Okay, rename files. Okay, it's a disable full Windows compatibility, because we might need to use Windows. Then we're gonna say rename files to be Windows compatibility, or for Windows compatibility. Okay, we did that. Let's see how it's gonna work. Okay, for that we might not need something to get messed up. I'm gonna go on my CD where I copy those files. No, I'm gonna go where I took those files. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. There are 8. So before I do anything I have to go and check if those files are fine. Okay, EF, EXE, whatever. Okay, I think they are fine. EF, EXE, they are fine. So that's what it says here. So after adding that, then you say enter the name of the disk. So here we can name whatever you want. The name of the disk, we can name it Windows 10. That's what we want. Okay, so here that's when you can do what so this way we're gonna do what try to do what to create the, where do you want to put this ISO? This is a good question. I want to put it where you can browse. Okay, it asked me, so what did I do? Let me see. This is to burn. If I want to burn 3 point whatever, so you can see that image file home monster Bracero. So I'm gonna find it here so I can burn now. You can see it suggested where to put it. So we can see this is gonna be ISO file. Sometimes no file filtered, maybe the software might ask you where to put this. So let me click here. It's okay. So let me start burning. Sometimes you can put wherever you want, but now I'm happy with this. I'm gonna say burn. Okay, if I say burn, then I'm asked where to put this file. So where do I want to put this file? I'm going to put it in my documents. Go to software, Yes, after going to software, I'm gonna go and put it here, anyway, here on software. So I'm gonna say create image. Yeah, it has started to what, write the ISO. I don't know how long it's gonna take. Let's see. Let's see the process. You can forward the video to see where it ended, but I don't think there is any other actions after this. The reason why I'm doing this, I copy all my files. I wanna create what they call a stick, a bootable USB for Windows 10. So that's one of my aims, you get me. So that will help me to stop using CDs and all that. I don't think they are good things to use. They are outdated and all that. I've got my memory stick here. I want to write that, then I try to do what they call a bootable CD, USB. Let me pause the video for now, then up until it's finished, then I'll show you guys. I don't want to spend your time, much time. Well guys, it didn't even take a lot of time. It's done. So it said success, then we're gonna say close. You can see once we close this, we named it Windows 10. Let's see where it went. But it's called Brasero. Remember, we're in software, right here. I'm gonna find the ISO code Brasero. Yeah, here we go. This is the Brasero thing. So that's it, guys. So now the second step I'm going to do, but I won't show you that because I've got videos on that. I'm gonna make this a bootable CD, USB. You get me? So I'm very, very glad that I did manage to do this. So I'm gonna rename it Windows 10 Victor. Okay, you can see what happens now. I'm done with that. I also had this and this, but all those I don't trust them like I do trust this. Yeah, well guys, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.